Hey, this is Jeff at Miller's RV, and a question we get often is how do I operate the Renogy Lithium System that we have on our 2B van rental? So I'll show you that in a moment. Before I do, please do me a favor. Would you like and subscribe to this channel? You'll be able to see all the new content that comes out, and if you have other questions you would like us to answer, please put it down there in the comments, and TJ, the marketing millennial, get it with me, and we'll get an answer for you online. Again, thank you for watching, and let's take a look at how to set up and run your Renogy Lithium System. This system allows you to run 12 volt off of the lithium system as well as 110 power off the lithium through an inverter. So this is the primary control that controls the lithium. We're going to go over the display and what it tells you in a minute. Up here is the inverter, which will allow you to run 110 appliances off of that. So if you need to plug in and charge a computer or something that runs off 110 and want to use one of the outlets, this will need to be on. To turn it on, you simply mash the red button. The green and red light come on together, blink, you hear the beeping sound, and then it will come back on and stay green. So now once it stays green, if you notice the LED lights have kicked on because they're 110, and so you're good to go on that. So green blinking light or green solid light, your inverter is working. Now this monitor panel monitors the lithium system, the charge, and the lithium system as well. Also, if I mash this button here, it goes through, it scrolls through several different screens. One screen, it will say a V at the top, which is 13.5 volts, which is the voltage the lithium system is sitting at right now. The next one is 40.5A. What the 40.5A is the current, and so that is either a positive or negative number. The fact that it's positive right now means there's more charge coming into the battery than going out. If you look at that and a negative number shows up, it means more of it is going out. And when it is in a situation where it's showing a negative, on the top right-hand side, you'll see a battery indicator. It looks just like one on your phone with three or four little black blocks to indicate when the battery's full. And if you're in a negative or a discharge situation where this number with the A, the second screen, is negative, then there's going to be a number right underneath that battery symbol that will tell you how many hours you can run at the current consumption. So if you're running a bunch of 110 appliances, or you have a lot of 12 volt running in the system and it's pulling more out than is going into the battery, that'll be negative. It'll tell you how long you can run at that rate without discharging the batteries completely and shutting off. One thing you don't want to do though is run at a negative a long time and then just turn the coach off and leave it unplugged, because it won't have any way to charge it back up. It'll need to be plugged up at night to charge, or run the engine without as much of a discharge. We're allowed to do. The next two give you a reading on the amp hours in the battery, and then the last one will show you how many the percent charge. So it's currently reading at 85.9. That's 85.9% of the capacity of the charge. It's a 300 amp hour battery. So when I look at the amp hour reading on there, it will say 257 amps out of 300. So that makes sense. Other thing on that, the top left, you'll see it has 0 and 3. The 3 means there's 3 lithium batteries in the system, and it's running all 3 batteries. So that's all you have to do on there. The only time you'll need to do anything else, the button on this right side is actually a momentary button. If the system stops working and is completely discharged, when you've charged it back, you're going to hold this button in for 3 seconds to get it to reset and kick the lithium batteries back on. Other than that, you should be good to go. Thanks so much for watching this. I really hope it will help you be able to operate your Renogy Lithium System with more confidence and ease. If you have any other questions, please let us know in the comments below, or reach out to us, 225-275-2940. Email sales@millersrv.com. Again, this is Jeff at Miller's RV, helping you enjoy the journey.
Hey there, thanks for watching this video. So we want to remind you again to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your post notifications so we can keep you updated with the best that the RV industry has to offer. If you want to stick around and watch some more videos, we've got a link for 2 videos here. So we'd love for you to stay and look at that. And if there's anything else that you want us to do videos on, leave comments. Thanks guys, enjoy the journey.